So here's the new table. It's 3/4 inch thick steel. And I'm gonna try and lift it. I just gotta fire up the buggy and try and pull up with the winch. And then if it works, I'll be able to just drive the trailer out from under it and then move it around into the garage. Not really expecting it to work, but we'll see. So far, I was able to pull it to the back of the trailer. I'm able to lift it a little bit with the crane, but it is bending pretty bad here, which I was expecting it to bend at that point, if anything. So I guess, or in the way I made this, the boom arm kind of just slides into there. I can weld something down from there up further, and that would reinforce it a lot more than what I have, but I was hoping to make this thing so I can just pull it apart easy. And right now there is tension on it, and you can see the boom itself has quite a bend in it, but I'm not sure how I'll get this thing off of here. Alright, I shortened this up a lot, which allows me to at least support this thing. So I can get it off the trailer and hopefully flip it and get into the garage, but a terrible job filming everything, but I was able to flip it on its side. Now I just got to try and flip it up. I had to shorten this quite a bit, so the last time I went to put it in, I only got this into the little kind of receiver thing about 1 inch, but this time I got it all the way in, and hopefully I can lift this right up.
That's not going nowhere.
So trying to lift this table, I'm really bending this A-frame, which I figured that's probably the spot it would bend. I was thinking there or down here where it mounts and goes to 3/8 flat bar. But to make it stronger, obviously the answer is just weld more stuff to it. So it's super crooked now, pointing way off to the side, but hopefully that'll lift it and not just start bending pieces of the buggy. But I guess only one way to find out. I have liftoff. My janky crane is working. That's how bent she got from that, but oh well. I got her in there.